Living in Tokyo means dealing with limited space in a dense environment. It also leads you to the simplest way of life and way of thinking. It doesn't matter if the space is small or large. It's about how you can adjust your life in a simple way. I designed this home for my partner and my cat Cochi. It has been our home and office.
Your support on Patreon means we can keep the Never Too Small episodes coming, so we can bring you more inspiring small footprint design just like this. Find out more at patreon.com/nevertoosmall.
The apartment is located in Setagaya ward, which is 5 to 10 minutes away from central Tokyo. The train station is nearby, and there are temples, shops, and parks. The building was built in 1979. There are 7 apartments here, each one with a different layout. The plan was to create a combined home and office. The space can function independently, but it's all connected. I wanted the space to be very simple, warm, and comfortable. Originally, there are 2 bedrooms on the opposite side of the house. The kitchen and bathroom were in the center of the house and connected to a living room. I removed most of the interior walls to open up the space and reorganize the floor plan. The idea was to increase privacy and quietness towards the back side of this apartment. So I placed the bedroom in the very back and office in front. Everything except the bath and closet is open, so you can fill most of the 46 square meter area. After passing through the front door, you will enter a small entrance. I made a walk-in closet next to the entrance. This walk-in closet is the largest storage in this apartment. The living room is a step lower than the rest of the apartment. I custom built a 2.2 meter long bench seat by the window. Beside the seat are a couple of shelves that are built into a wall. There are sliding doors to access a small balcony. Because of the apartment regulation, I couldn't make a chimney for the traditional fireplace, so a bioethanol fireplace was the next best choice. We love cooking, so the kitchen had to have both functionality and a simple look that would be a part of the living room. The kitchen has a gas stove, a fish grill, an oven, and a large sink. The fridge and small pantry are hidden in the corner of the kitchen. I wanted to hide some electric appliances, so I placed them on the side as you cannot see from the living room. The base component of the L-shaped kitchen and the small dining table are made of wood and finished with water-resistant plastering. It looks like concrete, but the cabinet was easy to install and the finish was done at the site. The office space is next to the living room. The thick beams coming down from the ceiling at both ends of the space create cozy nook. The desk is made out of laminated wood. There are 2 wall-mounted bookshelves above the desk. There was a bit of space at the end of the office, so we created a floor-to-ceiling closet. The bathroom and the toilet are in separate rooms. There is a storage behind the mirror and even more storage built into the wall next to the sink. There is a washer, dryer, and Cochi's litter box. The bathroom has a wet room. It is an all-in-one bathing space, which contains both a shower and a bathtub. This is typical in Japanese home. When you enter the toilet room, there is the room with a unique floating sink. When we have guests, they are able to use the toilet and wash their hands here. That way, we can keep our bathroom private. I only use ambient lighting for this small space to make it feel comfortable. The bedroom entrance is through wood and canvas sliding door. I made the bedroom on the platform so the place underneath can be used for some storage. To make use of the dead space on the wall above the bed, I made a custom hidden closet. There is an area for me to do my makeup in one corner of the bedroom. There is a large balcony in the bedroom. We have some plants here. A house is like a container for your life. When designing the small space, it needs to be well turned to fit your lifestyles. I also think it should be adaptive and generous to future changes. There is a big rise in old vacant housing stocks in Tokyo, so we should be responsible for how we repurpose what we have and what is sustainable living.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.